Recipe: a set of instructions for making food. She followed the recipe to bake a cake. The recipe calls for 3 eggs. I found a new pasta recipe online. This recipe has been in our family for generations. He wrote down the recipe after cooking.